President Trump on Wednesday tweeted that there was no reason for joint military exercises between the US and South Korea, dubbing them costly while describing the relationship with North Korean dictator Kim Jong as very good and warm. However, he signaled that he could restart them if he wanted to, promising that they would be far bigger than ever before. The president tweeted a White House statement, in which he said he believed the Rogue regime was experiencing tremendous pressure from China amid trade disputes with the US simultaneously. North Korea was acquiring considerable aid from China, which is not helpful, Trump continued, considerable aid, including money, fuel, fertilizer and various other commodities. This is not helpful. Nonetheless, the president believes that his relationship with Kim Jong is a very good and warm one, and there is no reason at this time to be spending large amounts. Donald J. Trump, at Real Donald Trump, August 29, 2018. Nonetheless, the president believes that his relationship with Kim Jong is a very good and warm one. And there is no reason at this time to be spending large amounts of money on joint US-South Korea war games, Trump tweeted. Besides, the president can instantly start the joint exercises again with South Korea, and Japan, if he so chooses. If he does, they will be far bigger than ever before. Differences, they will be resolved in time by President Trump and China's great President Xi Jinping. Their relationship and bond remain very strong. Donald J. Trump, at Real Donald Trump, August 29, 2018. The statement went on to insist that any issues between the US and China would be taken care of by Trump and the Chinese President Xi Jinping, who have a very strong relationship. Earlier Wednesday, Defense Secretary Jim Mattis issued a statement that 3 military exercises were suspended in order to provide space for our diplomats to negotiate the verifiable, irreversible and complete denuclearization of the Korean Peninsula. Our military posture has not changed since the conclusion of the Singapore summit and no decisions have been made about suspending any future exercises, he continued. Adding that the lines between the US and South Korea was ironclad. Following his June meeting with Kim, Trump promised to end the war games with South Korea. Earlier this week, Trump said he'd asked Secretary of State Mike Pompeo to cancel a planned trip to North Korea, citing insufficient progress towards denuclearization, while also faulting China. Additionally, because they are much tougher trading stance with China, I do not believe they are helping with the process of denuclearization as they once were, despite the UN sanctions which are in place. Donald J. Trump, at Real Donald Trump, August 24, 2018. I have asked Secretary of State Mike Pompeo not to go to North Korea, at this time. Because I feel we are not making sufficient progress with respect to the denuclearization of the Korean Peninsula, Trump tweeted. Additionally, because they are much stronger trading stance with China, I do not believe they are helping with the process of denuclearization as they once were, despite the UN sanctions which are in place. Fox News. Jennifer Griffin, Brooke Simon and Frank Miles contributed to this report.